Here's a great tip for when you're giving a presentation over Zoom. This is how to use your PowerPoint slide as your Zoom background. Now you can see I'm on a Zoom right now. You're going to click on Share Screen. Click on that. So you're going to bring up this menu. Now you don't want basic, you want advanced. There it is. Slides as virtual background. You're going to click Share. You're going to choose the PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to insert yourself into. And magically, look at that. Here I am. I'm inside my PowerPoint presentation. I can size myself up or down, bigger, smaller, whatever size I want to be. All I have to do is adjust that slider. And the only thing you have to remember is to leave some white space. So you want to make sure that when you're designing your slides that you leave some space, because you wouldn't want to have text and now you're over your text. So just leave a little room. Just keep in mind you're going to be putting yourself there. And that's it. Now you're in your presentation. Now, as you go through your slides, as I'm talking about it, you can see how animated I am. I'm not in a tiny little Zoom box with my office behind me. It's just me. There's nothing to distract you as the audience. You get my face, you get my passion, you get my hand gestures. Look at me. Look, I'm so East Coast. Look at me. And we can just toggle through my slides. It couldn't be easier. And also, remember, this is not, I don't have a green screen behind me. There's no green screen behind me. In fact, let me show you. So this is just Zoom's magic technology. Stop share. Look at that. Got the whole office behind me. That's all I had to do to take away that background.